now hear the messages of gratitude on behalf of the graduates. These will be delivered by Miss Angel Sapira M. Saidoken, an honor graduate of the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand.
Before anything else, I'd like to ask you a question. What kind of graduate will you be? A pleasant afternoon to our University President, Dr. Zosimo M. Batag, Chancellor Dr. Victor R. Macan Jr., College of Arts and Sciences Dean, Dr. Michelle H. Concepcion, Principal Rina Lucy Salamat, Assistant Principal Victoria E. Danio, Commencement Speaker Ms. Chloe Elira Ditling, Administrators, Teachers, Staff, Parents, Guardians, and most importantly, Batch 2025-2026 Senior High School graduates. I am Angel Sapira Mansyong Saidoken, and it is both a privilege and a humbling honor to stand before you today. Within this university, you may have experienced late night studying, caffeine crashes, crying over quiz scores or grades, and anxiety during recitation or defense. First, let me validate you. That was difficult, and I admire you for succeeding all of it. But as someone who wants this speech to be more than just a pat on the back, let me share you my observations outside this university. As I was applying for college entrance examinations, I saw students lining up before sunrise, at worst 11 p.m., commuting or traveling hours from distant provinces to Manila, and parents begging registrars for a slot in college, all for a chance to continue their education. Here within our university, some of you might have also sacrificed your physical, mental, and emotional health just to continue studying. These stories of students who had to go beyond their limits should not only inspire, but make you reflect on such questions. Why do many young people endure extraordinary hardship just for accessible education? Why do we celebrate students surviving systems that should have supported them in the first place? And another question that may enter your mind is, bakit ko to sinasabi? Why am I bringing this up in this graduation ceremony? Because, batchmates, we must engrave in our minds that the purpose of this graduation is not just to reward our achievements. The purpose of our education is not just to help us escape hardship or lift us above others. Its true purpose, on the other hand, is to help you recognize injustice in the society's system when you see it, and to give you the courage and wisdom to change it. So in the future, as an engineer or an architect, build not only structures, but solutions. If you pursue the humanities, tell not only stories, but truths that awaken justice. If you enter business or management, create not only profits, but also fairness and opportunity. If your hands create arts, capture, or code, see dignity in every face and untold story, and create tools that connect and inform rather than divide or exploit. If you nurture a home or table, remember that care is the foundation of any decent society. Be the type of graduates who will remember those who are struggling to reach the opportunities you now possess. Education and graduation should not only lift you above others, but should also be a responsibility that calls you back to others. With the dilemmas these days, the world does not need more graduates who are accomplished. It needs more graduates who are conscious, compassionate, and those who understand that intelligence without empathy changes a lot. So, congratulations, University of the East Batch 2025-2026. We made it and may we become the type of graduates who will use our education not only to improve our own lives, but to build a society where fewer people have to fight so hard just to dream. Once again, I am Angel Sapira, Mansyon Saidoken. Thank you, and may we move forward with both passion and purpose.
Thank you.